When you are struck with a problem and you begin to think that there is no way out, then remember Prophet Yunus alayhi salatu wasalam, who was in three darknesses: the darkness of the night, the darkness of the sea, and the darkness of the stomach of the whale. When you find that your family is the biggest obstacle in your growth and your progress as a Muslim, then remember Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam, who was driven out of his home by his own father. I know we probably have rivers here. Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam, who was given a very, very hard time. لَأَرْجُمَنَّكَ. He threatened his own son that if you don't stop, then I'm going to stone you. But he continued and eventually left. When your body cries with pain, remember Ayyub alayhi salatu wasalam, who had more pain than any of us can imagine. When you are practicing your religion and those around you and everybody else thinks that you're backwards, irrational, disconnected from reality, you don't make sense. Or they talk to you as if, right, you were just practicing, or you only started practicing right now. Yesterday, you were smoking. Yesterday, you weren't wearing hijab. Yesterday, right, you were messing around. And now you want to tell me what is right and what is wrong? When somebody makes you feel like that, my brothers and my sisters, then remember none other, Nuh alayhi salatu wassalam, who was instructed by Allah to build an ark in the middle of a village. And everyone's laughing at him. And Allah tells us, وَيَصْنَعُ الْفُلْكَ وَكُلَّمَا مَرَّ عَلَيْهِ مَلَأٌ مِّن قَوْمِهِ سَخِرُوا مِنْهُ. As he's building, people are walking past, making a mockery, ridiculing Nuh alayhi salatu wasalam. But he continued, made them aware that he will have the last laugh. فَسَوْفَ تَعْلَمُونَ مَنْ يَأْتِيهِ عَذَابٌ يُخْزِيهِ. Remember that, my brothers and my sisters, this life is short. We will have the last laugh as you continue to hold on to your religion.